Let's start with a little story. My customer reached out and asked if I could engrave his logos on a white glass candle vessel. Simple question, right? The answer is yes, and we'll be using the Laser Pecker 5 with the 1064 laser for this one. White glass can be a bit tricky, but with the right settings and prep, it turns out beautifully. Let me show you how we make it happen. Laser settings are loaded. We've already aligned the vessel, loaded the file, and entered our settings. You won't get that burned glass look. Instead, it's soft, permanent, and professional. We've sped this up a bit, but engraving is just so satisfying to watch. Enjoy! I always love showing the finished result. These candles turned out beautifully. The client chose amber and oud and honey almond for their scents, and they smell just as good as they look. For branding, we engraved the inside of the lid using the 1064 laser on my Laser Pecker 5. Settings were 80 power and 30 depth. We are wrapping these up beautifully because we want the customer to feel that spark of excitement the moment they open the box. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell for more creative candle tutorials. Drop a comment below and let us know what you'd love to see next. Thanks for watching. See you next time on The Candle Artist Way.